Now, Jamaica's Jasmine Finletta Victorian and Benjamin Alexander ended down the pack in their respective events at the Winter Olympic Games in Beijing, China on Saturday. More in this report. History was created on Saturday night as bobsledder Jasmine Finletta Victorian and skier Benjamin Alexander became the first Jamaicans to compete in the Monobod and Alpine skiing competition respectively at the Winter Olympic Games. Finletta Victorian, who competed in the two-woman event 4 years ago, ended 19th of 20 competitors in heats 1 and 2 of the Monobod event. In her first run, Finletta Victorian stopped the clock in 1 minute 06.63 seconds, more than 2 seconds behind the top competitor. She was almost a second slow in her next run as she produced 1 minute 07.38 seconds to end the day 19th. Finletta Victorian will once again line up in Heat 3 tonight at 8:30. Meanwhile, Alexander ended 46 in the men's alpine skiing event with a combined time of 3 minutes 18.52 seconds. Alexander completed his first run in 1 minute 37.94. An impressive achievement given there were 35 skiers who did not finish due to a huge blizzard. Speaking to Eurosports after his run, Alexander noted that he was thrilled to be Jamaica's first alpine skier at the Winter Games.
I feel like $1,000,000. I mean, my back aches and my legs hurt, but I don't feel any of that. I just feel incredible to have finished. The conditions were gnarly, to say the least. 50% of the field did not finish, and there were some pretty horrific crashes, which just brings it down to this is the real deal. People get hurt doing this thing. So to be sitting here with no broken limbs and to have finished both runs, which a lot of my friends didn't, I'm smiling ear to ear.
Jamaica's two-man bobsled team of pilot Shanwayne Stevens and brakeman Nimrod Turgut will start their competition on Monday. The two, who had a good outing in practice last week, will commence Heat 1 at 7:05 a.m. Jamaica time.